This is our new TWIST Mount EVF system for the Sony FX6. It includes a rod bracket that can attach in several places on the camera handle. You can install it at an angle or vertical, and we'll do vertical for this demo. Now we can install our NATO rail assembly. This is a double-sided NATO rail with 15mm rod. Slide that in, lock the rod clamp. We have a variable friction adjustment on the NATO rail clamp itself, so we can tighten that or loosen it depending on how we want it. And you can grab and twist the arm without having to loosen a thumb screw. Next, we'll install the spud onto the monitor. This assembly will come apart using a 4mm Allen wrench. We'll take our spud, our 15mm rod, and put it through the Sony clamp in this orientation. So we have our thumb screw up towards the top side of the Sony monitor, and our rod clamp flipped around to where it's on the back side of the monitor. And then we'll take our plastic clip piece here, slide that on into the locating pins on the spud. Let's get that lined up like that. Then we'll take our 1/4-20 and tighten this down. Let's get that snug. And then we'll line up the lip of this with the edge of the rod clamp here. And then we'll tighten the Sony knob down. Now we're ready to install our knuckle. And this slips on to the end of our spud here. And this is a variable friction design as well. So when you tighten this down, you can still grab and twist the position of this. Next, we'll install this onto our NATO rail. Let's slide that on, lock our knob, and then we can route our cable through our handle. This monitor cable is barely long enough to reach the full extension here, so if you want to put it further out for shoulder rig shooting, we do have an extension cable available. You can still fold the monitor for packing your bag, and there are tabs here that prevent the monitor from slipping on the Sony friction mount. So when you grab and twist this, it pivots on the knuckle and not on Sony's clamp. So you can add a loop or something heavy to this and it won't fall down. Also included in the kit are 2 NATO cable clips, which help you guide your cable to where you want it. So you can squeeze this, install your cable there, and then just clip it to the NATO rail. With the double-sided NATO rail, you can put the monitor over your lens axis and then swing it into a lot of different positions. The twist mount for FX6 is available now at mid49.com.